In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership in Squarespace. We'll walk through the exact sequence inside Squarespace so you can securely hand over control of a site. Transferring ownership moves primary control and billing to someone else. So take a moment to confirm you're signed into the correct account and working on the right site before you begin. Start by heading to the Squarespace website and log in. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. That opens a small menu where you can access the area you need next. Click Account Dashboard. This is the control center that lists all the sites connected to your account. From the dashboard, find the site you want to transfer. Click to select it so you're working on the correct project. Next, look for the three dots icon associated with that site. That's the overflow menu where Squarespace keeps additional options. Click those three dots, then choose permissions. This takes you to the permissions and ownership settings for the site. On the permissions page, look for the option labeled Transfer Ownership and click it. Because ownership is a sensitive change, Squarespace will ask you to verify your identity. Type your account password carefully. Make sure you're using the current password you used to sign in, then click Verify. This extra step helps protect your site if someone else ever has access to your device. After verification, you'll see a drop-down labeled Choose New Owner. Open the drop-down and select the person you want to make the new owner. Typically, this list includes people who already have access to the site with a role. Select the correct person and double-check that you've picked the intended recipient, since ownership affects who manages billing, settings, and key permissions going forward. When you're confident everything looks right, click Continue. Squarespace will apply the change and guide you through any on-screen confirmations. That's it for your side of the transfer. The new owner will now have the top-level control of the site and related billing under this project. If you manage multiple sites, remember to repeat these steps for each one separately. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection while making ownership changes. Keep your password secure and private when you verify, and consider capturing a quick screenshot of the final confirmation for your records. Transferring ownership is straightforward when you follow this path. Profile, Account Dashboard, select the site, three dots, permissions, transfer ownership, verify, choose the new owner, and continue. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you transfer ownership in Squarespace with confidence.